Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling.Today, we're going to talk about something so practical. Even our very own Ron Stewart has asked me to ask Alice about this many, many times. 我们的史都华你也认识嘛，对不对？他在电台喜欢说假爸不会，这是台语。他想要练说哈嘎，吃饱了没有 ？Have you eaten？ 到底怎么说
？OK， 那我们就从你吃饱了没开始讲。吃饱嘛。
吃饱嘛。You heard that, Ron? That's how you say it. 吃饱嘛。That was have you eaten? 顺便也教一下我们这个海陆腔怎么说呢？
你吃饱吗？
有点不一样哦。你吃饱吗？ That's another dialect, the 海陆 dialect. Now, if you want to say, I have eaten, yes, I already had a meal.
我吃饱了。
I had a full meal, 已经吃饱了，对不对？我吃饱了。还没吃饱，他肚子还很饿嘞。
我肚子摇，
肚子摇 ，OK。
还忙吃，
还忙吃，还
没吃。
Okay. So there you go. Either you're really full, you already had a meal, or I'm still hungry. I haven't eaten yet. Okay. If you want to ask more specific meals, such as did you have breakfast, did you have lunch, or did you have dinner? 其实以前有教过，对不对？我记得是跟鸭啊、猪啊有关系。
有关的，对不对？
可是忘记猪是中餐还是鸭是中餐呢？
猪是中餐。
猪是中餐 ，OK. It sounds like pig, but it's actually lunch. 所以 if you want to ask, have you had lunch already? 有没有吃过午餐了吗？怎么说？
吃过猪嘛。
吃过猪嘛。That means have you had lunch? 所以晚餐是鸭咯。吃过鸭嘛。
错。
Okay, because 鸭 sounds like duck. That's dinner. Now, how about breakfast?
吃过粥嘛。
吃过粥嘛。Okay, that's have you had breakfast. Let's review these terms. Have you eaten? 你吃饱了没？
吃饱嘛。
吃饱嘛。Okay.
你吃饱吗？
你吃饱吗？ That's another dialect, the 海陆 dialect. And then you say, yes, 我吃饱了。
我吃饱了。
我吃饱了 That means I'm full already. Or I'm hungry. 我还很饿。
我肚子摇。
我肚子摇。
还忙吃。
还忙吃 That means I haven't eaten. I'm still hungry. Have you had lunch?
吃过猪嘛。
吃过猪嘛。Or have you had dinner?
吃过鸭嘛。
吃过鸭嘛。And finally, have you had breakfast?
吃过粥嘛。
吃过粥嘛。So I hope you guys are all full, not hungry, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母胎嘎。
按子say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.